Good afternoon, everybody. Happy to see all of you in the Open House Connect for Sparkling Minds. My name is Arun, and I've been with Sparkling Minds for 4 years now, and my daughter is in the first grade, Dolphins. The reasons why I love Sparkling Minds, so again, like most of you here, went through like a lot of curriculum, schools, websites before deciding to choose Sparkling Minds, and two decisions. One, the preschool to the kindergarten, and the second decision was kindergarten to the first grade. So two decisions stuck with Sparkling Minds throughout. The reasons. So the first thing is safe space to be us, as in for the parents as well as for the children. It's an amazing place to be yourself, and I think that's what got us to love Sparkling Minds immediately. And second thing, everything that they do, the curriculum, the planning, the activities, the field trips, pre-COVID and hopefully post-COVID again, the field trips they plan, everything is child-centric and there's learning throughout, not just for the children. Now that's a good news for the parents as well. There's amazing learning throughout the journey. There's just so much that you find about yourself on how to be better parents, how to partner better with them as young adults. That's the term that I learned after coming to Sparkling Minds, to be honest. And I think learning about each of us every day and to make better versions of ourselves every day is something that Sparkling Minds has as a culture for each and every child. And one of the most important things that I believe is important is also feedback, both giving as well as receiving. So that's again one of the key pillars in Sparkling Minds as a culture, which I find is amazing for for my daughter and for me and my wife as parents to communicate. And I think gone are the days in our childhood we didn't have that kind of a, I don't know, I didn't have that kind of a a feedback kind of a culture. It was do this and do that, and that's about it, right? And right now it's totally different, and I find that amazing in terms of the child growing holistically in every way possible, right? And they get to identify with the right reasons as to why they do something. And that I think is very important. That starts with feedback. So, yeah, super excited to be part of the SM community and looking forward to see you all there as well.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sudhini.
Yeah.
So,
What?
so our kid is studying in Dolphins D3.
Yeah, I am Nanath. And this is just to give you a context about how we stumbled on Sparkling Mind. So last year, just before COVID, we shifted from Mumbai to Bangalore, and that's where our the most dangerous journey of finding the right school started. Initially, we were like very confused on what exactly we want from a school. We just thought probably we'll go with the flow. We'll try to see which schools fit in. But then we decided, we took a step back. We tried to see what is the one thing that we really wanted to look at when we want to enroll our kid into some school. So I think what we thought was connected learning is one of the things that is very much essential. We want the school to connect with our kid, and it's not like a monologue that happened, but it's a dialogue that's a dialogue, a feedback, and discussion that is continuous, where the child is also participating as opposed to just teacher delivering what she is best at doing. And that's where we started looking at different school, evaluated, I think, at least 10 schools near our vicinity. So then that's how we came to Sparkling Minds. We had a discussion. It all fit into the bucket list that we had, and we started to we thought we'd give it a shot. I would say, I think, easily 9-10 months down the line, if you have to reflect back and see, is that the right decision for us? Of course, I mean, we're really happy with Sparkling Minds. The way, three things which are like very different from most of the schools, I would say. One is the immersive learning. So when we talk about immersive learning, it's more around the children getting into those discussions, learning things, trying to connect things with what they have learned and so on. So, in fact, during COVID, one of the key asks was, as in, how would the child be engaged with the teachers, given that it's a different world, it's a new normal, it's behind the screen that the child is. And I think Sparkling Night did a fantastic job of engaging with those kids. So, yeah, of course, that is one thing. Second, I would say the values. So, uh, you really need your child to be skilled enough, talented, a good learner, but at the same time, you need those values associated with him. As in, one of the key values which I found to be very much good is the honesty one. So I think the kids are very honest in themselves. They try to reflect back, even if there is a thing which they have not done right. They would be very upfront saying that, oh, this is what I did, and that I could see in Ishan as well. Because whenever he's trying to do something which we've not asked him to do, he would come back and say, "Oh, I've done that. I'm sorry for it, and I won't do it." So I think those are the values we really want our kids to imbibe into. And plus, it's fun. It's truly fun to interact. They're very open to our thoughts. So one of the experience that I can share is Ishan is very much keen in learning about science and new things around it. And for his age, probably with his reading skills, he was able to grasp something much more easily. So we just requested if he can be enrolled into probably a class. So he's in third. And we just requested that given that everything is online, maybe he can just participate in discussion typically from the sixth grade. And I mean, Shrija, Manesh, they both were very open to listening to us. They tried to see how it could be best be done. And we actually explored it. There were certain reflections that we had. But yeah, that's the openness, transparency, the easiness with which we can connect with them. So overall, we are really happy with our decisions. Yeah, so that's it. If you want to add something.
Yeah. Thank you so much. We are really happy with the school.